All right. Here's our week 2 discussion. Ignore this. All right. I'll show you where to go if my old memory serves me correct. We just started using, or I just started using this last semester. Okay, so when you go here, this one I will probably use the same. Okay, but go to your library, go to ebook. Okay. You go to chapter 2, or you can just actually scroll down here. See where it says video cases? This is video case 2, and there's your video. All right, so you can read this. It's only a 5-minute video. You can put on closed caption. Oh, you can make it full screen. If you need it full screen, press escape. Okay, I really do like this new book. Look, if you need it faster, you can obviously turn it up. You can pause it at any time. Say those little darlings run in the room, you can pause it. Okay, all right. Hope this helped.